17, baby, it's time to think. Better beware, be canny, be careful, baby, you're on the brink. So many nights I have stood in the moonlight, watching it fade into dawn, wanting out of mind, out of sight, till the moon rose tonight. I would like to understand. Has she been there all along? Am I too far gone to know? What a fool I must have been, for how could I believe